Are you happy for me to take a couple pictures of you?
Absolutely.
You look incredible, my man.
Your eyes are beautiful.
What makes you feel alive?
Life in itself makes me feel alive. Seeing people happy and walking around and interacting with each other and being social, that makes me feel alive.
What struggles have you overcome to make you more alive today?
Overcome many struggles in life. The ability to be living in a way that you choose. This is a big struggle, and I have overcome this struggle. I have managed to secure myself a small way of life and take it with me wherever I am and live it and share it with people.
One message for the world, what would it be?
Message to the world: allow, accept, be, go with the flow of the divine justice of the universe. Don't take things on your shoulders. Don't take the stresses and worries, things that you can't do much about it. Let it all happen. Disassociate yourself from it. Detach from what you can't have control over it, and just work on yourself. Make yourself better in every way you can, and be of service to yourself first, and be much of a service to others after you've been kind to yourself.
What's your name?
Kazrani.
Nice to meet you, Kazrani. I'm Abs. Dude, you look amazing, my man. Oh, wow. Sweet. My man.
Amazing.